Hello and welcome. My name is Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind the Country Chic Cottage. Today we are going to make sublimation baby bibs. If you have a baby shower coming up, need some baby bibs for a gift, why not make some custom ones? So I'm going to show you the steps within this video. This is a video that has been on my list to make for a long time. However, a lot of the baby bibs out there that I see that are for sublimation just aren't very high quality. I wasn't happy with them. So I found these bibs from Johnson's Plastics Plus, and I'm gonna link to the bibs in the description below this video. So they are made for sublimation, and they're like sublimation, smooth, kind of slick coating on the front, but still really nice feeling. And on the back, they're cotton like terry cloth. So that means that it's just a really nice, high quality bib, but you can sublimate on it and make it personalized. So I'm going to choose a couple of designs from Creative Fabrica during this video. However, you can make your own design, you could add a name to these, so many different options with this project. So first, let's take a look at the supplies we're going to use. You'll need heat-resistant tape, heat-resistant gloves, a lint roller, your sublimation baby bibs, protective paper, a heat press, as well as a heat-resistant mat. And then you'll need your sublimation prints. Now these are sublimation ink printed on sublimation paper from a sublimation printer. And right now I'm gonna walk through how to get this design downloaded and printed on your sublimation printer. Open up Creative Fabrica Studio and click Create New Design. I like to make my design the same size as my sublimation paper, so in this case I'm gonna make it 8.5 by 11 inches. Then click Create New Design to start your project. For this project, I am going to upload my own designs. I do have another video on Creative Fabrica Studio that shows you how to find designs within the platform. To upload your own designs, click Upload and then upload the files by finding them on your computer. Once you've uploaded the files, you can just click them to add them to the canvas and then resize to fit your baby bibs. I do want to note here that the sizing within Creative Fabrica Studio is in pixels. So you will need to convert from pixels to inches. You can also turn the rulers and grids on if that helps you determine the sizing. I went ahead and repeated this for 2 different designs and then located them on my sublimation paper in order to print them out. Once you're done, you can rename the design and then you can download it in order to print on your sublimation printer. So click Share and then Download. You can remove the background and download as a PNG file, or you can download as a PDF file. Either way will work for sublimation. You can, within Creative Fabrica Studio, flip horizontally for sublimation, or you can do that in your printer settings. Once you've downloaded, print on a sublimation printer using sublimation ink on sublimation paper. I will link to where I purchased these sublimation baby bibs in the description below this video. So I wanted a high quality baby bib, and this is plush on this side for sublimation. And then on this side, it's like a towel. And so it's cotton. So you don't sublimate on the rough side, you would sublimate on the smooth side. So the first thing you want to do is to lint roll. And for material like this, I like to lint roll all in the same direction so that any fibers that stick up will all be going in the same direction. Then to minimize marks from the paper, I just like to tear around the sublimation print itself. Now we're probably not going to be able to get rid of all marks, and we might need a little mini press at the end to get rid of some of them, but this will help a ton. And then we'll just locate the design on the bib. Just use a couple of pieces of heat-resistant tape to hold that into place. And then I just want to use some protective paper, and I'm going to put it on the bottom as well as over the top to protect my heat press. And then I have my heat press heating up to 400 degrees for 50 seconds. So then you can just add the press and press start. Now I love the little mini press for things like this. You can absolutely use a regular heat press or an easy press. Just use about medium pressure as you're pressing down. Once time's up, we'll just lift that up, peel back the protective paper, and then peel back your design. Now you can kind of look at this, make sure you've gotten the entire thing, then remove your sublimation paper. Then once you remove that sublimation paper, you can sort of rough up this plush and it will sort of get rid of any press marks that may be on there. Now, if I do it all in the same direction, you can see gorgeous, gorgeous design. And if you, of course, rough it up, it will get a little worse. Now, if you still see press marks somehow around the outside, what I would do is use an Easy Press Mini, sort of in a circular motion around that outside to get rid of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other bib, but you can see that you can make a super cute sublimation baby bib in minutes. So now all that's left for you is to make your own sublimation baby bibs. I'm obsessed with the avocados, like, let's just face it. You can pick one of the other designs as well. I wanted to do two in this video to show you sort of a difference. So I did sublimate the other version as well, but my heart is with the avocado baby bib. That's just me. But you can pick your own design, start adding it to a sublimation baby bib. Now, I'm gonna link to everything that I used in the description below this video, so head there to grab the supplies that I used. I also used Creative Fabrica Studio within this video, and I did another full video on that and how to use it, and I will link to that in the description below this video as well. So now, if you have any questions about how to make sublimation baby bibs, drop down in the comment section, ask away. If you liked this video and it helped you, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, head on over to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. I have videos just like this one every single week, and trust me, you don't want to miss any of those. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.